Hello and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you the latest updates from across the nation, state and region. Have a look. In a significant crackdown on oil pilferage, Kolyapur police in Assam apprehended 5 members of a notorious oil theft gang. The operation led by the sub-divisional police resulted in the seizure of 2 luxury vehicles and rupees 1 lakh in cash. The suspects are being interrogated at Uluvani police station. A young girl experienced a panic attack during the premiere of the Assamese movie Pikas at Anuradha Cineplex, highlighting the film's intense impact. The incident occurred on the film's release day, and within 10 to 15 minutes, she was moved out of the hall to receive immediate medical attention. A truck transporting approximately 300 gas-filled cylinders collided with a highway divider on National Highway 17 in Assam's Jogikopa. The high-speed crash resulted in injuries to both the driver and the handyman, causing a chaotic scene at the site. Rangers at Glacier National Park recovered the body of Siddhant Vithal Patel, a 26-year-old Indian national who tragically drowned after falling into Avalanche Creek on July 6th. Patel, a tech professional from California, was hiking with 7 friends when the incident occurred. MLA Ranjit Dev Burma of Tripura Motha has written to Union Home Minister Amit Shah requesting the urgent formation of a high-power committee to address the increasing infiltration in Tripura. Dev Burma highlighted the issue of foreigners entering Indian territory due to weak security along the Indo-Bangla border. Several candidates who cleared the Meghalaya Civil Service preliminary examination have accused the Meghalaya Public Service Commission of nepotism. They allege that the MPSC secretary's daughter has objected to the disclosure of marks, raising concerns over transparency. A severe collision between a double-decker bus and a car on the Agra-Lucknow Expressway in Etawah, Uttar Pradesh, last night resulted in 7 fatalities and around 25 injuries. The accident occurred around 12:30 a.m. involving a bus traveling from Rai Bareli to Delhi with 60 passengers and a car. The search and rescue operations in Wayanad, Kerala entered their 6th day on Sunday amid fears that several people still remain trapped in the debris from landslide in Churalmala and Mundakai. The death toll has risen to 308 as efforts to locate survivors continue. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has announced that the state has incurred losses of approximately 700 crore, with 55 people reported missing and some bodies recovered. The Chief Minister expressed hope for divine mercy amid the ongoing crisis. A cloud burst in Cherwan Kangan, Ganderwal district has severely impacted paddy fields, left several vehicles stuck in debris and flooded residential areas. SSG road near Paraval is blocked due to overflow from a nearby canal, leading to mud accumulation on the road. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.